All right. What are we doing today?
I'm going to change the battery in my iPhone.
You're not at all worried about this?
No.
You have complete confidence.
Complete confidence. I don't think anything could go wrong.
So like 100% confidence that you can make this and nothing bad's going to happen.
Yep.
I am nervous for your phone, if I'm being honest.
Well.
Troubles, Bubbles? Michael wanted me to video him because he said that my commentary is hilarious. Apparently, I'm funny.
You're very funny.
Well, that's sweet of you to think so. Oh boy. This is way more...
than you thought?
It's way more in depth than anything I would attempt to do.
That's why you're not doing it.
That is very true. That's why I'm not doing it.
Oh, look, the instruction manual. Who needs that, right?
No, probably you.
Turn off phone.
All right, let's look at the screen one last time.
Yeah, it's not going to be one last time.
Okay.
Now take out the bottom screws using the star. Use the star screwdriver, but first, why would they give me this unless they want me to do it? I don't know if it's required or not, but...
Do what?
that.
Taking your SIM card out?
Yep, because I don't want it to wreck.
I don't know.
Right. One thing I'm trying to figure out is what is this?
I think that's what the instructions are for.
Instructions don't really say, do they? I'm just gonna set that down. The instructions don't tell me to use that yet. The suction cup exactly there. Okay. I don't.
You don't what?
They made it look so easy.
Welcome to watching things on YouTube. Your sisters and I have said stuff like that about like nail tutorials and haircuts and...
And now here I am. I'm like, excuse me? You said it was supposed to be easy. I can't see it actually. Because I can't even seem to get the screen to start coming off. Let alone...
I feel like you shouldn't have to like force anything. What did you break? Your tool.
My tool.
Well, better your tool than your phone. Do you want to pause and watch another YouTube video?
Maybe.
Were you using the wrong tool?
What, the one that's broken? It's broken now. So it's not going back, but...
Right, but maybe it broke because you were using the wrong one. We're pausing just for a minute here to consult YouTube once again. in hopes that we find a video that doesn't make it look super easy.
Warning, you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur.
We're gonna do it along with a video this time and not just paper instructions.
Place a suction cup near the home button and pull the display assembly away from the rear case. Use the iSesamo opening tool to slice through the adhesive and help carefully separate the display assembly.
Wait, is that the one you broke?
No, that's this one.
Oh, so it broke because you were using the wrong tool.
Exactly.
All right, well.
Except theirs is metal. Apparently they're like, you don't need metal ones.
Aren't they using the suction cup to pull it away at the same time?
No, they're using this to break the adhesive.
Really got that sucker on there, huh?
No, because it's just, first off, look how big they make that. That's ginormous. Look how tiny that little crack there is there. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the garage and get a substitute tool.
Oh, great. Oh, gosh. No. Okay, first of all, you need to shut the door or we're gonna have like a whole audience in here. Second of all, okay, look outside. Do you see that weather?
Ah, so nice.
I do not want to have to drive you to the emergency room because you sliced your finger off. And Liz isn't here, and Dad isn't here, and Jen and Becca and I will just let you bleed to death. Oh, that makes a bad sound.
I agree. It's fine. Nothing broke, it just slipped.
That's not a pretty sound. Wait, what'd you do? Oh, okay.
No, can you unlock it?
Oh, yeah, I'm in the print.
From the rear case. Take your time and apply firm, constant force. The display assembly is a much tighter fit than most devices and is held down with adhesive. Do not open the display assembly more than 90 degrees.
Understood.
Just gonna look out at this peaceful, snowy scenery. It scares me much less than what's happening in front of me. Teenage boy going at electronics with a rusty X-Acto knife. What could go wrong?
As it is still connected at the top with 3 ribbon cables that may break if stretched. Remove the following 4 filters.
What happened?
I clicked it back in when I was putting the suction cup on.
Weren't you supposed to put the suction cup on before you pulled it out?
I did it. It came off because I tried doing what you told me.
Really?
I'm gonna do something I saw on another YouTube video. Since this one's helping.
Why
so
are
much.
you like rearranging Genevieve's desk?
Not supposed to move the phone case more than 90 degrees.
So you're making like a little barrier.
Look at that glorious sight.
I still feel like that's gonna be too far. Scoot some of those books forward.
No, 90 degrees is the limit. All right.
Phillips screws. Secure.
I love his music. That's the how it's made guy.
Is he?
Listen.
The display assembly more than 90 degrees.
Oh yeah,
This
this is the
is-
guy on.
So
Why did
now
you
I can-
rewind the whole video?
I rewinded a tiny bit.
Alright, let's see here what we got going.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Alright, now Can you bring me your tweezers? These ones are junk.
You mean the brand new tweezers I just bought because you
Because
guys lost?
they need to be super pointy.
Because you lost my other tweezers?
Exactly, please, because they need to be super pointy. I'll go grab them, actually. You make sure this is...
Nope, you better freeze and ask permission, son.
Hey, Mom, can I please use your tweezers?
The ones I just bought because you lost my other ones?
Yes.
If you lose those, I'm making you pay me $20.
I'll give you 50.
All right, it's on video. He'll give me 50. This is terrifying. We should like take bets on whether or not this goes back together. Yep, definitely starting a poll.
So glittery gloss me.
Oh, they're beautiful.
These are so much better.
I thought it came with all the tools that you needed.
I know why the battery was so cheap. Because the battery itself isn't cheap. I know why it came with tools and it was still so cheap.
Why?
The tools themselves are cheap.
Yeah, how much was the battery with all the tools?
$18.95.
What was that like stretchy thing that just snapped?
Stuff that keeps it, holds it together.
Like adhesive?
Proximity sensor cables.
I already did this.
You were just getting deeper and deeper into this.
Yeah, I know. It's actually really simple.
Are you gonna have any extra pieces?
No. Well, yeah, I'll have a bad battery. I think it's this one.
You think it's that one?
Yeah. Worst case scenario, I unplugged the wrong cord and then... Ruh-roh. Here's what the other dude, remember he even said in his video he got it wrong?
You bent the tweezers? I don't think you should be using that much force. What did I say about brute force?
To not.
And yet you did it.
Yeah, that's the funny thing about these things.
Oh my gosh, child. You can't brute force your way through life.
I'll learn that one day.
Will you though?
Yeah.
Why isn't yours pulled way out like that?
Because he's using his hands. Something that... And you just pull. Ta-da, I'm a professional at this.
Well, that was kind of fun.
I know, right? So satisfying. Oh, Apple does really not mess around with their adhesive strips.
No, because I don't think...
Are you ready? Now it just falls right out. It's just the adhesive. Dang, it's strong.
All right, so that's the old battery.
That good riddance piece of junk.
Why is it like...
Oh, that's because when I was bending it.
You like bent it?
Yeah. Look how he's so much better at this than me.
Yeah.
To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order.
Except you gotta put the strips on. I love his music.
Hopefully it holds a charge.
Hold it what?
Hopefully it holds a charge. The battery holds a charge. Like you plug it in and it stays charged.
Yeah, it's brand new, so if it didn't, I would be very angry. Let's just say
You wrinkled it.
it doesn't really matter.
I don't think you're supposed to stick your fingers on it. Make sure it's the right side.
It doesn't matter.
I think it does. You should consult the instructions. Or just stick it on there.
Actually, this is... Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. It wasn't the right side.
Are you ever gonna learn to listen to your mother?
Probably not.
Wow.
But it'd be very good if I did learn that.
Yeah, it would.
I see what I'm supposed to do now.
Check the directions.
What do you mean check the directions? Don't need to look at any directions.
I feel like these adhesives are like a one shot.
Yeah, they are.
So you need to be 100% certain they're on the right side.
It doesn't matter, I got mine to work. They clipped this in first, and I clipped that in second, which it would have been smarter to click it in first, but it doesn't really matter. And I just put the... I'm gonna wait till this is over. Ta-da. And now...
The whole world knows your
Cut that out.
passcode. Let me see.
A second.
Wait, what are you doing? Oh, you gotta put your SIM card back in.
Anyway.
Turn your brightness up. You can't even see anything.
Oh yeah, I can do that now.
There. All right, let's look at your battery. Well, it seems to be working.
Anyway, I'm gonna get spammed because, yeah, this is their practical joke.
That's annoying.
Battery
Battery
health? 100%. Booyah. I took a screenshot of it before, just so we could remember what the health was.
Maximum capacity. Here, hold on. 38%. Now maximum capacity is...
I already showed you. Wow, they were busy.
How many... Wait, how many text messages?
Just give me a second. Battery, 100%.
Let me see. Leave it open on there.
Currently, my watch is
Leave it
buzzing,
open on there.
but...
Leave the battery capacity open for a second. 100%. All right, let's see. And your texts? Oh my goodness. That is obnoxious.
You got all of that.
That is obnoxious. Well, it looks like you did it.
Yeah, because I am a genius.
And you're so humble.
I am.
Okay, now clean up your mess before
things.
Dad gets you.
All done?
You're almost all cleaned up. Where are my tweezers?
Oops.
Go put those back.